Hi. In this video, we will show you how to install and set up Bitdefender on Windows computers. The whole setup process should take you less than 5 minutes. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser. We are using Microsoft Edge. Go to central.bitdefender.com and sign into your Bitdefender Central account. Select My Devices in the sidebar. Then click on the Install Protection button. Click on Protect this device. Choose Me in the Select Device Owner window. Save the installation file and then run it. Choose Yes if the user account control prompt is shown. We are now closing Edge to see only the Bitdefender installer on the screen. If you want, you can close your browser too at this point. Wait until Bitdefender downloads all the necessary files. Check this box after you read and agree to the terms presented in the subscription agreement. Then click Install. After a short wait, Bitdefender will be done. At this point, you can perform an initial security assessment. If you do not wish to perform the scan, simply click Skip. Next, you can see details about your active subscription. Click Finish to access the Bitdefender interface. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Bitdefender on your PC. Next, let's take a quick tour of Bitdefender. This is the dashboard. The color of this shield indicates your system's security status. If everything is okay, the shield is green. When an issue is detected, the shield turns red. Simply follow the recommendations displayed here to fix any security issue. The dashboard also includes a few useful shortcuts. Quick Scan, System Scan, to promptly detect the possible threats that may be present on your computer. Vulnerability Scan checks your PC for outdated and vulnerable software, missing Windows security patches and potentially unsafe system settings, then indicates the best fix. VPN keeps you anonymous online and provides access to content that is restricted based on region. Launch SafePay when you need to protect your banking details while making online payments. You can customize these shortcuts from Add a Quick Action. To explore all the cool features included in Bitdefender, access the menu on the left-hand side. Protection. The core modules are placed on the right-hand side and are easy to navigate. Privacy features take care of your online privacy and personal information. Utilities include anti-theft, one-click optimizer, profiles, and a file shredder. Notifications. Whenever something relevant to the security of your system happens, a new message is added here. In a similar way to a new email appearing in your inbox. Click any notification to expand it and learn more. Settings. Here, you can configure your Bitdefender preferences. Thank you so much for watching and for choosing Bitdefender as your security solution. We love having you on board. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help, the Bitdefender support website.